I'm an HVAC service technician with 17 years in the field and a background as a nuclear power electrician. I've installed, repaired, and diagnosed many heating systems over the years, and today we're comparing the Buderus G115WS and the NTI Caprice. On paper, both of these units heat your home, but once you look past the brochures, there are some important practical differences that affect what you'll actually spend owning them over time. Most homeowners think the biggest decision comes down to picking the model with the absolute highest efficiency rating, but in my experience, that's only part of the story. What really matters is reliability, ease of maintenance, and long-term ownership costs. The biggest difference between these two boilers comes down to their warranty coverage and electronic component protection. The Buderus G115WS comes with a 5-year warranty on electronic parts and a pro-rated lifetime heat exchanger warranty. The NTI Caprice offers a 1-year warranty on electronic parts and a 20-year heat exchanger warranty. So what does that actually mean for you? The heat exchanger is essentially the heart of your boiler, transferring heat from the flame to your heating system's water. If a heat exchanger fails outside of warranty, you're usually replacing the whole boiler. A pro-rated lifetime warranty on the Buderus gives you long-term financial backup, whereas NTI's coverage stops firm at 20 years. Furthermore, having 5 years on electrical components versus just 1 means Buderus covers potential control board or sensor glitches much longer during that critical initial ownership window. When it comes to efficiency, both boilers are rated at 87% FUE. FUE is basically your boiler's fuel efficiency rating. An 87% rating means that 87 cents of every dollar you spend on heating oil goes directly into warming your house, while the remaining 13 cents goes out the vent. Since both units hit the exact same efficiency mark, fuel consumption between the two is going to be virtually identical. Neither of these are condensing models, so you won't have to worry about complex venting setups or extra condensate drainage lines, which keeps the mechanical setup standard and straightforward for annual maintenance. Now, here's what the brochure won't tell you. Buying oil-fired equipment is only step 1. Annual service, like burner cleanings, nozzle replacements, and combustion adjustments, are completely unavoidable if you want reliability. You can buy the highest-rated unit on the market, but if it's installed poorly or neglected, it will underperform a standard unit installed by a skilled technician. That's why picking an experienced local installer matters just as much as picking the equipment brand itself. Looking at pricing, the Buderus G115WS typically sits around $3,400 to $3,800 for the bare equipment, while the NTI Caprice runs slightly lower, usually between $2,800 and $3,200. Is that extra cost for the Buderus justified? If keeping your upfront sticker price down is your absolute top priority, the NTI Caprice makes a lot of sense because it gives you that baseline 87% efficiency for less upfront money. However, if you want peace of mind knowing your electrical parts are covered for 5 years instead of 1, and you want a lifetime safety net on the heat exchanger, the Buderus delivers better long-term value. If it were my house, I'd lean toward the Buderus G115WS. That extra 4 years on the electronics warranty and the lifetime backing on the heat exchanger easily justify the higher purchase price over a 15 to 20-year lifespan.